In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a resume template on Google Docs. This process is seamless and efficient, and it should only take about 5 minutes, perfect for getting your job applications ready in a flash. Whether you're setting up a resume from scratch or updating your current one, Google Docs offers a variety of sleek and professional templates to suit your needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once your browser is open, navigate to your search bar and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and the search results should bring up a link to Google Docs, usually right at the top. Click on that link, and you'll be directed to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. This step is essential because it grants you access to all the features and functionalities of Google Docs. Simply enter your email and password, and remember to keep your credentials secure. Once logged in, you're now on the Google Docs homepage. From here, you should look towards the upper right corner of the page, where you'll see the option labeled Template Gallery. This is your gateway to a wide array of pre-designed templates that Google offers. Click on Template Gallery to explore the options available. Now, you're in the Template Gallery where layouts are neatly categorized. For our purpose, simply scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Resumes. Here, you'll find an assortment of professionally crafted resume templates, each with a different style and format. This selection allows you to choose one that best matches your personal aesthetic or industry standard. After browsing through the options, settle on a template that appeals to you. This choice largely depends on the kind of image you wish to project with your resume, be it corporate, creative, or minimalist. Click on your chosen template, and it will open up as a new, untitled Google document. This document is now fully customizable. Now comes the fun part: editing. Begin by replacing the placeholder text in the selected template with your personal information. Make sure to update sections such as your name, contact information, education, work experience, and any additional skills or certifications pertinent to the positions you're applying for. Each section is straightforward to modify. Simply click and type in your details. There you have it. A professionally designed resume ready to impress potential employers, all within the comfort of Google Docs. Feel free to customize further according to the roles you're targeting. Remember, a well-crafted resume is your first impression to employers, so take your time to ensure all the information is accurate and up to date. Happy editing, and best of luck in your job search.